The burning topic for us today in our country is kidney disease. The reason for this is out of the 1.4 billion people that we have, more than 20% are suffering with some form of kidney disease or other. And can it be reversed is a question that we all have to ask ourselves. The big answer for this question is it can be reversed. At any stage, when you pick up kidney disease, there are very good medications now, and there are certain do's and don'ts. When you practice them, you can reverse the kidney disease. First thing that we have to learn is most of the disease burden in kidney diseases in our country is contributed by diabetes and high blood pressures. So if you look at 100 people with kidney disease, 40 of them are secondary to diabetes and hypertension. So that tells you if you pick up diabetes, if you pick up hypertension early, you control them to target levels, obviously the kidney disease does not progress. Apart from these two major causes like painkillers causing kidney disease can be prevented by avoiding medications. Causes like kidney stones causing kidney failure can be avoided if you pick up kidney stone disease early, find out the cause for kidney stones and treat it and prevent stones from coming. Like this, for every reason that causes kidney disease, there is a way of reversing. The biggest message you and I have to carry to ourselves, our loved ones, and our sphere of influence is please get a checkup done every year. Pick up early disease, find out the cause, and treat it, and you can reverse the burden of kidney disease in this country. Thank you.
If you found this video useful, like, comment, and subscribe for more health updates.